Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning controller vibration on and off in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on PS5, or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Use the right bumper to change tabs until you get to the Settings tab. In Settings, select Controller. In Controller Settings, under the Inputs heading, you will see the setting for controller vibration. Enable or disable the toggle to turn it on or off. If you press square on PS5 or X on Xbox, a slider will appear to edit the controller vibration intensity. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.